Welcome to R1Soft, Continuous Data Protection for Windows and Linux Servers. We'll perform a MySQL restore using CDP 3.0 Enterprise Edition. In order to back up MySQL, we need the MySQL database driver. So we'll go to the MySQL website and locate the MySQL connector. You can download either the tar or the zip archive. You don't have to create an account. You can just click on the download link there. Select the location near you. Save the archive. Once that is downloaded, you can extract the archive. To apply the driver to the CDP server, click on the configuration and click on the database drivers. Click on the upload button. Browse to select the driver you just extracted. And click upload. The status should now be green, indicating that the MySQL driver has been applied. For each agent you register, you will also have to enable the MySQL add-on. So if you're registering a new agent, you will have to check off the Enable Database add-on. If you already have a registered agent and you want to enable the MySQL add-on, you would edit the agent and check off to enable the database add-on. Once the MySQL add-on is enabled for the agent, you can then go and create a policy to back up that server and the database is on that server. Create a new policy, give it a name and a description. And you can have multiple policies for an agent. Specify the agent you want to use and the disk safe that it's going to back up to. The frequency of the backup, and the number of recovery points you want to keep. Click on the Database tab and add the MySQL instance you're looking to back up. You can specify a name to make it easier to identify the instance you're looking to back up. You can also specify an alternate IP address or host name or port number for that instance. Type in the credentials you're looking to connect to that instance with. It needs to be root level credentials. If you want to specify an alternate data or base directory, you can do so. You can back up all databases or a subset of the databases. And then it will give you a summary of the different settings, and then you click Add to add the instance. Once that policy is created, it will start backing up that server and those databases. Once it's been backed up, you can then go and browse the recovery points, select the agent, the disk safe, and be able to drill into the databases. Expand out the databases. Expand out the tables. Select the tables you need to recover. Click to restore the selected tables. You can restore to the original host, an alternate agent, or an alternate IP address. If the credentials have changed since the last time you did the backup, you can specify alternate credentials, and you can also specify a different temp directory if you don't want to use the default directory. You can also use a different data directory and base directory. That's going to give you the restore summary. You can go ahead and click on restore. And then you can click on the task histories to see the current progression of the restore. Once the database restore has completed, you can click on the database restored and see the tables that have been restored. If you expand those out, you can then see the number of rows that have been restored. If you click on the files restored, you'll see the files. And under the logs, you can see any of the log messages. And that is how easy it is to perform a MySQL restore using CDP 3.0 Enterprise Edition. Thank you for taking the time to look at R1Soft and the CDP server software. If you would like to find out more about R1Soft, please visit www.r1soft.com or contact your sales rep at sales@r1soft.com.